Hello, I'm Jeremiah, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Dublin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resolve the log does not exist error when trying to view logs for an AWS Lambda function in the CloudWatch console. Let's get started. When you try to view your function logs after you invoke the function, if there's no log group for your Lambda function, then CloudWatch returns log group does not exist error. This is often because there is an issue with the function's AWS identity and access management permissions. After logging into the AWS console, navigate to the Lambda console. Then select the function. Choose configuration and then choose permissions. Choose the execution role. This redirects to the IAM console. In this scenario, Lambda function does not have its own custom policy, so we would be adding one. Add the JSON. We would review and edit the IAM policy for the Lambda function execution role so that the following is true. The right actions: create log group, create log stream, put log events are allowed. The AWS region in the specified Amazon resource name is the same as the Lambda function. This would be US East 1. The log group resource includes the name of your Lambda function. Here's an example of the policy that includes the required permission for a Lambda function to write to CloudWatch. Review the policy and save the changes. You would observe there are no errors or warnings, and then you can add tags if you want to. You can review them, review the policy, give it a name, and then create policy. In our example function, we are adding the policy to the role and then testing the function to confirm the issue is resolved. So now you know how to resolve the log group does not exist error when trying to view logs for a Lambda function in the CloudWatch console by giving Lambda function the required permission to write logs to CloudWatch. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us at AWS.